So this week I decided to try apple pie, overnight oats, and chunky monkey. So on the stove I put apple, water, cinnamon, and lemon for about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna put about a third cup of just old-fashioned rolled oats, and then I like to put a tablespoon of chia seeds. Get your healthy fats. And for 3 of my jars I'm putting 100% peanut butter for the chunky monkey. Make sure that it's 100%. And then the other 2 jars, I'm going to make them for the apple pie. So half of a sliced banana in 3, and then about a third cup of the cooked apples for the other 2. And then top it with half a cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Feel free to use whatever brand you like. And then a teaspoon of vanilla, followed by 2 teaspoons of maple syrup in the 2 jars that I'm making the apple pie for. Now, using Lily's chocolate chips, I put a few chips in that, stir them really well, leave them overnight, and then in the morning, just heat them up for about a minute.